here in Huron Park, Ontario with Tony Kime, the president of Bluewater Pipe. Tony, what does Bluewater Pipe provide?
Bluewater Pipe manufactures 4, 6, and 8-inch drainage pipe used in agricultural farm drainage in Ontario.
Tony, how big is the farm drainage industry in Ontario?
The 4-inch farm drainage business in Ontario last year was about 170 million feet. My estimate is it would be about a $500 million industry in Ontario if you take all of the groups that are involved in it.
Farm drainage is a pretty big investment for individual farms, is it not?
Absolutely. Today, the cost of a drainage system is running between $1,000 and $1,500 per acre. But when you consider that in Huron Park area where we're in right now, land is running over $20,000 an acre.
Tony, in 2016, you joined the Thames River Phosphorus Reduction Collaborative. What brought you to join that group?
When they contacted me, it was pretty easy to say yes because it's a good thing to do to be helping reduce nutrient runoff from farm drainage in Ontario.
The collaborative has a big job ahead of it in terms of raising awareness of what the importance is of phosphorus reduction. What do you see as the challenge going forward or the next steps?
I think the biggest challenge is just an understanding by government that the reductions that are being or that they're trying to get to are a relatively small reduction in phosphorus runoff at any 1 acre level. Therefore, the investment to get it is pretty high. Now, when you take all of the acres across Ontario that may be contributing to the problem, it does become a big number. But for any individual farmer, there's really not a huge loss from a farm on a 100-acre level.
Tony, how do you see the collaborative shaping up and its progress thus far?
Really nicely surprised. Charlie Lalonde, who's the project manager, has done a great job accumulating best management practices that have been developed across North America. I think the big step for him now is to figure out how to communicate that to everybody, and then even more important, how funding can be put in place to incent the agribusiness community to improve.